In a room brimming with weapons, guards stood watch intently.
Yeah.
The boss was on a call, seeming quite cheerful.
I know.
SWAT officer Rose appeared near the criminal's base. She scoped out the place and then quickly took action. Rose took precise aim and shot one guard dead. She spotted another guard attempting to flee and fired repeatedly in his direction. Hearing the gunshots, the guards upstairs also became alert. Seeing Rose rush in, a guard opened fire. She swiftly returned fire, killing him. The boss ended his phone call, ordering his henchmen to gather and stash the weapons, then prepare for a fight.
Alright, whatever.
Boss, SWAT's coming.
Let's go. Go.
Rose arrived and saw the criminals trying to escape. She opened fire. The boss and the guard shot back at her before continuing to run.
Let's go.
Boss, you go first. Let me hear.
Okay, be careful.
Rose gave chase only to be intercepted by a guard, who turned out to be SWAT officer SEAL X, undercover with the boss.
Rose, why did you do that?
But Rose had unknowingly ruined his
Very
plan.
dangerous. Can't catch them. So be careful.
Why are you here?
Having lost track of the criminals,
What happened to you?
both SWAT officers returned to base in frustration.
Let's go. Come on.
SEAL X donned his SWAT uniform again and spoke with Rose.
I have undercover mission, sir, and report on the basis. Do you understand? But this task is very difficult.
SEAL X filled Rose in on everything he'd discovered, explaining he had infiltrated the boss's hideout and eavesdropped on his phone conversation.
Oh, hey boy, are you okay? Yeah,
Boss.
of course, yeah.
Yeah, I'm fine. Nothing.
And I heard you talk. You will go to joint. And I knew it.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, I know.
Yeah, you know?
You stay here.
Okay.
Yeah, my mission is to custom.
Together, SEAL X and Rose decided to join forces and capture the criminals. A gang leader appeared carrying a backpack.
Let's go. Hurry up. Come on.
The boss, in a hurry, ordered his men to move quickly, pressing the gang leader to complete their transaction.
Alright, check it. Give me money.
SEAL X and Rose headed to the criminals' location, observing carefully before making their move.
Rose, shoot.
Both SWAT officers raised their guns together.
Alright, hurry up, man.
Meanwhile, the gang leader and the boss were still finalizing their weapons deal. SEAL X fired, killing the gang leader. The henchman and the boss, panicking, fled while shooting back. Spotting the two SWAT officers, the boss instructed a guard to attack.
Okay.
Rose took careful aim and shot a guard dead.
Run! Jesus!
The boss and his remaining henchmen fled in haste with the two SWAT officers in hot pursuit.
Jesus!
Suddenly, the boss whirled around and shot at Rose, who fired back, forcing him to keep running. She ended up gravely wounded. SEAL X continued exchanging heavy gunfire with the other guard. The guard fired back as well. Stealthily, Rose crept up behind the boss. She grabbed a brick and bashed him on the head, knocking him to the ground.
Very good.
The boss fought back, engaging Rose in a furious brawl. Taking heavy blows, the boss tried to escape. Rose chased after him and knocked him out. Rose grabbed the backpack and left. Seeing no one else around, the last guard started to retreat, but SEAL X quietly emerged and shot him dead on the spot. SEAL X collected the guard's weapon and departed.